Ni kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica guko mucii munene wa Nairobi, igongona rigitongorio ni Kardinali John Njue, ndumiriri nene ria kuria Kenya mahibiri gucokia ngatho kuri Ngai ni mawiko make manene.
If this was done to us, then I think it is also a call that we should reciprocate by doing it and by doing something similar of generosity to those who are in our midst. To those who are in our midst. We may not be able to kind of visit everybody and so on, but whatever we can be able to do to make a positive difference in the life of others, that I think is so wonderful.
Ningi Kardinali Njue ni oritia Kenya kurugiriria mithiire yao na gutwarana na nginyo cia muhonokia Jesu Kristo.
And what we are being called upon, even in the word of God, was straighten the ways of the Lord, and make straight the ways of the Lord. Meaning to enter into our own lives and to try to kind of see to it that we are living authentically that identity and dignity that God has given to us.
Na wakristiano aria magwikinyitie kanitha-ini uyu matinatigwo na thutha hari kuheana ndumiriri ciao cia thayo muthi uyu wa gukungwira gakenge.
Ndarere mwathani aciaritwo ngoro-ini citu ayitwendithia arata itu thirikari itu uhoro mwega wa guciarwo mwathani witu Jesu Kristo na tukigarura mwaka tugarure thiini wake.
Tumecelebrate sana, tumeshukuru sana na Merry Christmas to everybody and a prosperous 2018.
Kwira andu Merry Christmas na ningi makoro manyitanire ihinda riri tonerio riega ni undu Kristo ni muciare aciaritwo gwitu guothe.
Thutha wa Kenya gukorwo makiyumiria na njira nene nyumba-ini cia ihoero nigetha makorwo magikungwira thigũkũ ya Christmas, ndumiriri no ya thayo akenya makirio maikare na thayo na thengia ya gukorwo maumite ituri itiganite cia bururi.
Kaunti-ini ya Mombasa etigia kanitha-ini wa ACK tauni-ini no maitika kanitha-ini gucokia ngatho guko bishop wa diocese no akiuria matereba kugereka mutwarithirie mwega wa ngari niguo gwithema na mitino.
Tafadhali, si jambo la busara kunywa pombe wakati kama huu na huku unaendesha gari. Na wasihi madereva wote waangalie sana, wachunge sheria za barabarani ili kuhakikisha kila mwananchi anafika nyumbani vizuri kusherehekea Christmas.
Na kumushi-ini munene wa Vatican keheri-ini ka Vatican Basilica Baba Mutheru Francis atongoretie etikia kanitha uyu hari gukinyia ndumiriri yake ya Christmas.
Precibus et meritus Beate Maria Semper Virginis.
Ndumiriri-ini yake Pope Francis ni oritie atongoria mabũrũri mothe kuhimbiria thayo na makiria mekirire guteithia aria matehotete ona nginyagia ahoi toro. Hadi-ini Hakameme TV, Rachel Rakoni Bataru wa Mwangi.